DJI is introducing its new Avata 360 drone. The DJI Avata 360 is an immersive FPV. The DJI Avata 360 will capture 360 8K videos, offering enough capability for experienced pilots. Probably the same specifications as the DJI Osmo 360. With the touch of the button, the 360 camera turns to frontal view right side up, with 4 front sensors, visual camera sensors and LiDAR. 2 side sensors have already been spotted on the sides, and it's not expected to also have rear sensors as well, and advanced tracking capabilities. The DJI Avata 360 will start with a drone only price of $1,200 US. That's all for now. Guys, subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks.